Welcome to Legal Genie. In today's episode of Dig Deep, we explore a case that shook the nation, the case of Renuka Shinde and Seema Gavit, the juvenile killers. Between 1990 and 1996, these sisters embarked on a chilling crime spree, leaving a trail of tragedy and raising critical questions about juvenile justice. Today, we delve into the unsettling story of Renuka Shinde and Seema Gavit. These sisters, from a life of poverty, turned to crime, kidnapping, and murdering young children. Imagine a series of child kidnappings and murders spreading fear across Maharashtra. How did two young sisters become the masterminds behind such heinous acts? And what legal challenges did their case present? The critical issue was to determine the extent of Renuka and Seema's involvement, their mental state during the crimes, and their accountability under the law. This case also forced us to reconsider the juvenile justice system's ability to handle severe offenses by minors. Renuka Shinde and Seema Gavit, driven by desperation and cruelty, kidnapped children from crowded places. They murdered these innocent victims and disposed of their bodies to cover their tracks. The nation was horrified, and the police launched an intense search to find the missing children and bring the culprits to justice. The investigation uncovered compelling evidence linking the sisters to multiple kidnappings and murders. Despite their ages, the severity of their crimes led the court to try them as adults. The prosecution presented a strong case, detailing their calculated and brutal actions. In a landmark judgment, Renuka Shinde and Seema Gavit were found guilty of numerous charges, including kidnapping and murder. The court sentenced them to life imprisonment, emphasizing that age cannot be a shield against accountability for such grave offenses. The Renuka Shinde and Seema Gavit case remains a poignant reminder of the darker aspects of human nature and the complexities of juvenile justice. It called for reforms to ensure that serious crimes by minors are met with appropriate legal responses. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into one of India's most disturbing criminal cases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more intriguing legal stories from Legal Genie. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.